Dad, was hast du da?
Ah, I don't know. It's a box. I got it today in the mail. I hope it's what I think it is. Hi, YouTubers, shortwave enthusiasts. What I got here is like Christmas. Well, let's see what we got. Oh, I lied. I already opened the box. See that? Got a nice catalog, one German and another smaller brochure in English, just from Bonito. And you can imagine what I've got in here. Well, let's see. Get the packing out. I have a 40 centimeter flex antenna. And let's see what else we got here. I don't want to tear the box up. I have a USB power cable and also a power brick, which happens to be made out of metal. That's very nice. Can you see that? You want to look at that? Maybe they won't look at it. I have some self-sealing electrical tape, a antenna mounting bracket. Wow, just like Christmas. And I have a couple of extra connectors. RJ58 cable. Put that to the side. And the next thing we got, get it open here, is the Megactiv antenna and the power block that goes with it. And by the way, it's powered with the brick and the cable. This is better to me. This is better than hooking it into an electric outlet. This gives you the portability that you need for when you're DXing out in the field. And of course, they give you a rubber ducky antenna, I guess is what you call it. But I like the 40 centimeter antenna better. You know how shortwavers are. Bigger is always better. That's what my wife said anyway. And last but not least, I've got two pieces of H155 coax cable. This is a double shielded cable. And connectors are put on very nicely. I wanted to say something about this. Dennis at Bonito. When I ordered the cable, I ordered the regular coax cable, and I wasn't paying any attention. I wasn't aware of it. I thought it was all the same. And he gave me he sent me a message and said, "Hey Brian, you have ordered the cheapo coax cable, and I'm sure because you mentioned Clint several times that you wanted the same thing he had, and that would be the H55 cable, which is double shielded, and it's a very low loss cable, anywhere from 25 to 95 decibels." And so he said, "What you want me to do? You want the coax cable that you ordered, or do you want me to send the 155 cable?" And that was very nice of him. Anybody else would have sent me the cable that I would order, that I ordered, and not said anything. But Dennis had the decency, and knowing that how serious we are about shortwave radio, that I would at least want the option to have the very best or the best coax cable for the radio. So there it is, my Megactiv antenna and the accessories I ordered with it. And I actually ordered a 5-meter piece to connect from the power block to the receiver, and I didn't need a piece so long. So I may end up cutting that and putting another connector on it. So that said, the next video I'll make will probably be using this antenna, and even before I use it, I know it's a good antenna because Clint is he's used it over and over. He's used it. He's DX in the field. He's DX with the antenna from South America, from Crete, from just about everywhere in the world, and with excellent results. So with that said, Signal Hunter out.